Exponential and radical form, switching between the two. So there's a definition. If you have a number a raised to the m over n power, that's equal to the nth root of a raised to the m power. So the way that I remember it is it's a raised to the power over index. Index is the root here, so if we have like square root of 2, that's the same thing as 2 raised to the 1 over 2 power as an exponent of 1, and the index is 2 on a square root. So cubed root, if we're doing cube root of 2, that would be 2 to the 3rd power. If we were doing a raised to the 3/5 power, if we wanted to switch from exponent to radical, that would be the 5th root of a cubed. If we wanted to do 2 raised to the 3/7 power, that would be equal to the 7th root of 2 to the 5th. So it's a definition that allows you to switch between exponential and radical form, which later down the line will become useful for certain things in calculus. So if we want this in radical form, the half power, that's 13x to the 1st power, which you don't have to write, and then with the index of 2, power over exponent, so it's the square root of 13x. And you know the 13 is underneath the radical because of the parentheses. So on this one they want exponential form, so 3x is in parentheses, and it's raised to the 1 over 5 because it's the 5th root. So we could do a couple more examples, like let's say we had 7x to the 3rd power. Let's put parentheses around that so we know that 7x is under the radical. So that would be 7x to the 3rd root of 7x, or the cube root of 7x. So it's just a definition that allows you to switch between exponential and radical form.